Hello, you're welcome to this video. This is Mr. Shedrock on the line, and this is Legit Card Biz Online, a channel to help you build private, ethical online and information marketing business in the world. Remember that this channel is solely free. You are not paying anything to watch the content of the video on this channel, and then that's why the only thing you help us to do in this channel is to hit the subscription button. Make sure you subscribe to this channel so that if there is any video upload, you'll be able to be notified through your email. And of course, hit the turn notification button so that you get the notification directly from your said device. There's a lot of videos we have already covered up, so many videos on different topic on how to build ethical online and information marketing business in the world. So right now, today in this video, we are going to look at Legit Card Biz Online version 2, as in the new automated system that pays you income in minutes. We are going to look at it series by series. So this is the first episode of this training on Legit Card Biz Online. So I may your host, Mr. Shedrock. By God's grace, this platform has been programmed to work based on feedback from our fans and clients, and possibly it is my personal platform which was built from the concept of business, not just that we build a system just to uh, make proof to the world that we can build a system, but it is a system that is built based on feedback of clients, based on my business exposure, and of course it is built to help you learn, and of course to become experts on what you want to achieve in terms of getting sales. Okay, what is Legit Card Biz Online? As a summary of it, Legit Card Biz Online is a platform that was initially built to sell products on ranging from telecom products to setup of systems of affiliate systems for users, setup of done for you system. But as last year, we decided to take a break on the platform in terms of the structuring of it, and then by God's grace, I usually say God grace because I'm a Christian, so I decided to put God in everything I'm doing first. So this year, we decided to design an app, not just a sale page system, but an app that works, do the work for you as a marketer. So what is really a Legit Card Biz? Legit Card Biz, in a nutshell, is a platform that helps you as a home business, someone that is a marketer, a networker, or someone that owns a business in any angle, even though you are trading on entrepreneurship and ICT, or any kind of business online that needed people to come into your business, as in for you you need people that to patronize a business. So Legit Card Biz is there to stand as a gateway between you and your customer, to make sure that you retain your customer, get your customers, push them to your business, and of course communicate effectively with them. So what Legit Card Biz has done so far is to build one ability for you as a marketer, someone that knows, has built up a system. It can be a website, it can be you want to collect a lead. Are you with me now? You will have to do it properly. Are you getting what I'm saying now? So you have to do it properly. What do we mean by doing it properly? It means that there's a pattern of approach to doing everything. Are you with me now? The pattern of approach of internet business has changed over time. The way in which people respond to opportunities on the net has changed. And that is the reason why Legit Card Biz is here, to make sure that you don't only win a client over your business, but you make money from the day one of you setting up your own sales funnel. So Legit Card Biz is like a set funnel on its own. It helps you to capture lead of subscribers that will patronize you in your business. It can be any kind of business you are running, be it you are doing blogging, you want people to patronize you, you are doing ICT, you are doing web development, you are doing telecom, you are doing any business and so on. So Legit Card Biz is there to make sure that you get those leads, people that will patronize you in your business. At the same time, offer them opportunities to do Legit Card Biz affiliate system. Are you getting what I'm saying now? So the thing is a little bit twisted in the sense that you will use one stone to kill two birds. Are you with me now? So that's exactly how Legit Card Biz Online operates at the moment. And then in the initial episode of this video, we look at it as like a sale page on it where you buy courses, where you buy not courses, but now programs done by Legit Card Biz. But right now, it has been changed to be a platform that has to do with a similar safe funnel system, just like in a global phenomenon, how what to call click safe funnel system. But this is a click safe funnel system for Africa, for Nigeria, for the whole world. We have studied the industry, know that there's a lot of inefficiencies in most of these safe funnels. So we have built Legit Card Biz for to help you as a marketer, as an affiliate, to capture lead of subscribers that you would use to target your primary business. Your primary business can be a blog, it can be ICT, it can be web, it can be telecom, it can be entrepreneurship, it can be business, any kind of business at all you are running online and you want people to patronize you. You will use Legit Card Biz safe funnel system to capture lead of subscribers. At the same time, offer them opportunity to become a Legit Card Biz client. So they will now use that opportunity to know whether they can be able to join your primary business or also to join Legit Card Biz affiliate system. So it is a win-win situation. You are using one stone to kill two birds. So that's the concept of Legit Card Biz Online. So, but in a nutshell, there is a free training going on the platform, so you can just hit join the free training. The free training is you're not paying any amount, so you go through the training to just get the clearer picture. But in this series of video, we try to make sure that we explain most of the business model on Legit Card Biz. So these are the related products and services that is offered by Legit Card Biz. So what it means is that, for instance, let me give you a clue of what Legit Card Biz, how the platform has been programmed to work. Are you getting it now? For instance, this is one of the products. Let's take, for instance, Passion to Raw Cash is a product. It's one of the products on the system. So you can see Passion to Raw Cash. This is the buying the section of the system. Can you see it now? But here you can see check the full review on this page here. So let's just we just click on this Passion to Raw Cash. Let me just open it in another tab. Just showing you an example so that you can follow suit of what we mean by safe funnel. So this is a Passion to Raw Cash safe funnel system. Are you getting it now? So this is it. This is exactly what it means. So here it's talking about ability to turn whatever you have as a passion to raw cash. So if it is a client that want to buy into this idea, as a Legit Card Biz user, you may have this page given to you courtesy of Legit Card Biz platform initiative. You have tools like this that will present an offer to your client. So you will present an offer to your client. It is a done for you system. It's not like you are the one to design everything. Legit Card Biz team will do the design, the development, the brainstorming for you. All you have to do is on this page, for instance, if this is your page, you'll be presented, the page will present a capture lead offer page where they will have to subscribe to get get more information about this offer. Are you getting what I'm saying now? So when they now subscribe to get that information, that subscriptions are the email list of those clients. They have to confirm the subscription from their own end. So that confirmation alone, it is a list that you can then use your back office on Legit Card Biz to now start to market to them using a different sales funnel system, as in approach in terms of like follow up to whatever you're offering as a business. You can also export the list to a different responders that will now target a different industry at the same time. So that's the advanced function of Logical Biz for those that are going for the advanced package of Logical Biz. But if you are going for the basic, you'll be offered similar pages like this landing page. Users just have to visit the page and then take action. When they take action, you make sales, and the sales will pay you a lot of cash just to being an affiliate. So the done for you system is already here. The sale pages are here, so you don't need to crack your brain. You just have to give your users a sale page of any of your preferred preferences, and then before you know it, a lot will be showing in your dashboard. So, but to summarize the video, in this episode, we are going to look at how we are going to log in. Okay, I use a very unique name, which is Smart Income. I know I like anything income, and not any kind of income, but smart. Smart means income that you work smart, not hard this time around. So I am logging into one of the accounts I have in the platform. This Logical Biz is an initiative I started a long time ago. So it is a burning desire seeing my fellow Nigerians, an African man like me, and also like you that is watching this video if you're an Africa, to scale through in business. Are you with me now? So the sole aim of building this platform is to help make you a millionaire, and at the same time expose you to what computer can do. So this is the digital market sell funnel system that is being built upon. That is Logical Biz. Logical Biz is no longer just a sales page, but an automated system that helps you to capture lead of subscribers in your business, win a client over, make a lot of money. We're going to be looking at it in this series of videos. So this is my own account on Logical Biz. You can see it, and you can see at the down section here there's a lot of menus, but the one that interests me most is on the business statistics. So you can see the business statistics on this place. You can see their statistics, you can see their graphics that points to your referrals. We're going to be looking at this on the series, on the next series, what all these things means. So I want to encourage you, just pick a plan on Logical Biz. The plans are there on the homepage to become an affiliate. It costs you nothing other than just to pick a package. There is two variable package, but before you pick the package, kindly go through the video, the training sections. Just click on free training, click here, join the free class, and then of course put your email there, confirm your email from your inbox, and then you'll be enrolled in the training where you get a breakdown of how the system works. That is if you cannot be able to wait for the videos to be, watch the series of the videos. You get a breakdown of everything, step by step, how the system works. But the LCB affiliate system is just of two variables. One is 30,000, and then the other one is what? 5,000. So get involved, get sales. You'll be able to make a lot of money because we're going to be revealing all the details, information that you need to know about the program in our subsequent episode in this channel. So I remain your host, Mr. Shedrack. Remember to subscribe to our channel to get updates on every single video we release. Just hit the subscription button and then hit the thumbnail notification so that anytime we release this video like this, you get notified. I remain your host, Mr. Shedrack. See you at the top.